Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 22nd of February 2022. Taking a look here at Harmony. Harmony was one of the biggest surprises of 2021, rising a significant amount, like from 0.003 all the way up towards 38 cents. I mean, you want to look at that as a percentage. If we just look at January open of 2021 to the high of the year, it was a 7,686. Not surprising, it faced some selling pressure here, came down, and it's below the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen. Current 3-week candle attempted to break higher and stopped, and looks like it just wants to continue facing some pressure south. There isn't really a ton to look at on the 3-week chart. So if we look at the weekly, you get a little bit of a different perspective. So the weekly chart, see it coming down here to the Senko Span B, which is the strongest level in the Ichimoku system. The most interesting thing I see is this Kumo twist coming up here on the 28th, the week of the 28th, so the next weekly candlestick. And I think that's important because Kumo twists often identify, the earliest turns in a market before the market actually kind of does its change. But the volume here has continued to drop off significantly. Ever since the beginning of January, the weekly traded volume continues to move lower and lower and lower. Maxed out at the beginning of January and has just dropped ever since then. So there could be some support coming in at the 11.5 cent level. That would put the relative strength index at 40, and it would likely put the composite index at probably below the low that was found during the week of the 6th of December 2021. But the percent B is down below 0.2, and that looks like this within the cloud. It's like touching it just right there, just kind of showing that there could be a new expansion phase south for Harmony. And ultimately, the thing to watch out for here on the weekly chart is a close really below, is it probably 10 cents even. At 10 cents even, it enters into an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout, and that would probably push some really strong, massive selling pressure. Fast forwarding over to the daily chart, Kumo twist showed up on the 19th, but we didn't see any bullish response from there. And it's just continuing to drop south. The gaps between the bodies of the candlesticks and the Tenkan Sen continue to expand, so a mean reversion setup becomes increasingly likely. Additionally, you have the bear market conditions in the relative strength index. It's not oversold yet. It's just a very kind of omnidirectional chart here without a lot of relief showing up. And until there's a daily close that brings it back above at least the Tenkan Sen, it looks like it's just going to keep moving south. And really from the January 14th swing high, it's lost, 66% of its value. And even from the most recent swing high on the 10th, it's had a 45% drop. So lots of pressure to the downside here, likely to continue, but we'll update it as needed. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.